In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to set up your ARCO dealer account for Rescue Roadside, the only roadside assistance program designed exclusively for EV drivers. To get started, you'll navigate to www.dealers-thearco.com, which will take you directly to our dealer's sales app. Before creating an account, you'll want to make sure that you've completed and signed our dealer reseller agreement. Completing the agreement is quick and easy. First, you'll locate the Become a Dealer menu item in our sidebar navigation, found on the left side of your screen, or tucked away in the hamburger menu in the top left corner of your screen if you're on mobile. Then select Dealer Agreement. Here, you'll find 4 options to choose from to complete the agreement. Right here on our website, via the JotForm website, by downloading a copy of the PDF, completing it, and submitting it here on our website, or by requesting an appointment with an agent to complete it in person. After you've completed, signed, and submitted the agreement, you're ready to create an ARCO dealer account. Creating an account only takes a few minutes. To do so, you'll navigate back to the Become a Dealer menu item found in our sidebar navigation, and this time you'll select Create Account. Then, you'll simply enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number. Then select Create Account. You'll then receive an email with a link to confirm your account setup. Once you've located the email and selected the Activate Account link, you'll be directed to a page where you can set your account password. After doing so, your account will be active. You'll now be able to access all of the private dealer pages found on the site and be able to keep track of your orders and update your account information. To update your account information and check on your orders, simply navigate to the Active Dealers menu item in the sidebar navigation, and then select your desired action. Should you run into any issues or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. You can reach us via email at dealers@thearco.com or by calling us at 1-800-735-7347. You can also fill out the contact form found on our support page. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial. You're now all set to start selling Rescue Roadside at your dealership. Welcome to the ARCO family.